Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you sneakerheads out there. We're diving into the details of the best Jordan 3 Dark Iris available right now. Let's get started. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what makes this Air Jordan 3 CT8532 105 Dark Iris stand out from the rest. Crafted with precision and style, these sneakers boast a unique dark iris colorway that's sure to turn heads on and off the court. But it's not just about looks. These Jordans are built to perform. Let's talk about what sets these sneakers apart from the competition. First up, the premium leather upper provides durability and support, ensuring these kicks can handle whatever you throw at them. Plus, the lace-up closure offers a snug fit for maximum comfort and stability during gameplay. But it's not just about style and durability. Comfort is key, especially when you're hitting the court. That's where the rubber sole and cushioned midsole come into play. Whether you're making quick cuts or going up for a dunk, these Jordans offer responsive cushioning to keep you comfortable and supported from tip-off to the final buzzer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where can I get my hands on a pair of these Jordans? Well, you're in luck. They're available right now on Amazon.com, with sizes ranging from 7 to 15. But hurry! With only a limited number of pairs left in stock, you'll want to act fast to secure your size. In conclusion, the Jordan Men's Air Jordan 3 CT8532 105 Dark Iris is the epitome of style, performance, and comfort. Whether you're hitting the court or hitting the streets, these sneakers have got you covered. That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy shopping!